Hey guys, welcome back to Makeup Skin. Thank you so much for dropping by. Today I have the Charlotte Tilbury Mega Summer Mystery Box for you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into it. So I received this in the post just today. I've had to clean it all for the apocalypse purposes. Let's go ahead and open it. So inside you get this leaflet which says all about Charlotte Tilbury's big summer sale. So let's open it. So for samples I chose the Legendary Lashes and I want to try the Magic Foundation, so I've got that to try. Oh, so it's come in the limited edition box. On the side there's the Hot Lips Deluxe lipsticks. And then the Pink Diamonds lipstick. So nothing else in there. Let's open up this. So mystery box comes like this. I'm trying to show it you all. Wow, okay, so the big reveal, you get a Legendary Lashes Volume 2 mascara, as you know. I'm just going to pull stuff out. And then this is the Colour Chameleon eyeshadow pencil. I hope it's not the same colour as I got before. It is. It's in, oh actually no. No, it's a different colour. It's in Amber Haze. That is really, really nice. That is lovely. Oh wow. Oh, this actually just fell out. Oh yes. This is the Cheek to Chic Swish and Pop Blush in Ecstasy. Now, this is a lot lighter for me than I wanted, but I actually wanted to try this because of the pop of pink. Next item, a matte contour lipstick. This is in the shade Screen Siren. Yes, I was gonna buy this. It's the red I always wanted. I'll put this on for you in a second. Yay! This is amazing! I finally got the Film Star palette, the bronzer. Oh wow! Highlight and sculpt. I got it in the fair medium. Okay, I'm not as excited anymore. These aren't my colours, so these will be for the giveaway for you guys. Oh, I got really excited. Then there is the Hollywood Youth Glow. It's Charlotte's award-winning Beauty Light Wonder Glow Primer. I think I've tried this before. Oh. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you get the wand and you get this Wonder Glow. This is in the shade, this is the original Beauty Light wand, and you get 15 ml of the Wonder Glow primer. Wow. And then you get the Wonder Glow primer as well. I'll open that up for you. Wow. Turnaround Tide Dull Skin with Beauty in a Flash. It's 40ml. You get 40ml of this. My gosh. Last thing. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You get the Angel Alessandra Hot Lips lipstick. I've already got JK Magic. I don't know where that is. I wear it all the time. So let's open this up and see what the colour is. Oh, fab. Fab, fab, fab. That is really, really nice. So what I think I should do a tutorial with all this. So you get the lip colour from Hot Lips. You get the Youth Glow set, where you get the wand and the Youth Glow together. You get the Film Star Bronze and Glow Sculpt in fair to medium. You get the Ecstasy blush. You get the mascara in the Legendary Lashes Volume 2. You get the Colour Chameleon eyeshadow stick, and you get the red lipstick in Screen Siren. Hi guys, so an explanation for the outfit change. I was packing away all of my mystery box goodies to realise I forgot one item. I was absolutely overjoyed because I don't have this colour and I really, really wanted it. It's the Eyes to Mesmerise pot. It's in the colour Rose Gold. Let's get it out and swatch it. I'm so sorry. I thought the box was empty. So let's go in and let me show you. Actually, I think I have this. Yeah, I do. It was the bronze pot that I wanted. I do have this. So I'm not going to swatch this for you because I'm going to keep this for the 1,000 subby giveaway. I have this already and I can show you again. And then I also realized I didn't get a chance to swatch for you the lipsticks that we got in the mystery box. So the Lucky Diamonds I'm going to save for the giveaway again. I've got a video with this swatched in it. I don't have it to hand right now, but let's swatch these two Hot Lips for you. So let me show you how mini these are. They are so adorable. And one is called Patsy Red and one is called Viva la Vergara. So that one's a little bit damaged. So let's put some of this on. So this is the colour. Wow. You know guys, I always wanted this. But because it's not necessarily a new product, I always thought, no, I'll spend my money on something new to review for you guys. Wow. Oh my gosh. This red is insane. Wow. I don't know what you guys think. I know I've got the whole bronzy eye going on, but this is really a Hollywood Siren lip colour that I think will suit absolutely everyone. It feels really soft. It's like this colour I have here. It's the Charlotte Darling in the nude. That didn't come in this mystery box. I actually got Charlotte's first mystery box of 2020 earlier this year. I believe it was in around March. I'll link that for you. When I saw the summer glow and the summer box, I had to get it. I've ordered 2 of the mystery products because one's for the giveaway for 1,000 subbies and one's for me, so please stay tuned for that. I think overall the fact that this box is half price and you get all of those goodies, it is incredible. Absolutely in love. So happy. Please comment below if you want me to do a tutorial with all of the things that come in the mystery box, because I really love this colour chameleon pencil. Really nice. Put a bit on for you now. I've been falling in love with eyeshadow sticks quite a lot because they are so easy to apply, and if they've got like a metallic-y finish, it can look like 2 looks in one when you've just put a bit of transition shade in. I will head over to Instagram and I will put a picture of these goodies up. I'm just trying to let it be a couple of hours or a few days if I can, because I like this to stay a surprise for some people if they've not received it or seen my video yet. But I can't get over this red. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that reveal. I know that the box sold out very quickly. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I have got the Fenty Beauty first impressions coming. I have the mystery Charlotte Beauty product coming. I've got a Natasha Denona eyeshadow tutorial, and of course please don't forget to check out my mid-year review tag that I was involved with lovely YouTubers. I have done that video first and then I've put this video out second. Thank you so much for watching. I shall see you in the next one.